What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we installing the jack pad adapters, the pucks for the C7 Corvette. Pretty easy install. Just like you see, goes like this. This is going to be the jacking point, the jacking side. So the bigger side goes up first. Pretty much go inside the hole and turn it, lock it in. Once it's in, you screw it in. So again, lock in, take it. Trying to look through this camera while doing this, but yeah, just screw them in. Yeah, don't screw it all the way in, just enough to get them in there, because you're going to do the rest of the screw once you get it in. But yeah, let's go in the garage, install these things. Now we up under here by the side skirt. I'm on the driver's side. This little hole right here. Just going to take it. Now just push it in the hole and then turn it, and it should lock in place. Once you do that, just take the Allen key that comes with your kit and then tighten the bolts up until it's tight in the frame. These don't have to be super tight either. Just hand tighten them as much as you can, and it should be good to go. Now repeat these same steps for the rear. C7 has a lot of jack points, but most people use these. That's why I'm putting the pucks at. But you can also jack up the car from the front and rear cross member. But other than that, that's the video. Hope this video helps somebody out. I'll put the link in the description for these right here. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.